Welcome to High Wheels. In this video, we will have a detailed view of Maruti Suzuki Baleno. Baleno, launched in 2015, was one of the first cars came through Nexa, the retail network that caters to the high-end customers. Nexa is a dealership format for Maruti Suzuki's premium cars. A new look facelift of Baleno was launched in 2020. Different variants available in Baleno are Sigma, Delta, Dual Jet Delta and Alpha. The car we are looking today is Delta, which is the top selling variant of Baleno. Let's get straight into the video and unlock the car. Pull the lever on the right bottom side to open the bonnet. The engine of Baleno is a 1.2 litre VVT 4-cylinder petrol engine which is compliant with BS6 norms. Depending on the variant, the mileage company claims is from 19.56 to 23.87 km per litre. ABS is available. The fuel tank capacity is 37 litres. Insulation padding is given to bonnet to reduce the engine noise inside the car. The closing of bonnet is easy and smooth. 4 parking sensors are provided. The boot can be opened without key. The boot is very spacious. 339 litre is the volume of boot. The stepney tire is placed below the boot space. The closing of boot is effortless. Backdoor spoiler, rear window wiper and rear window defogger are provided in Delta variant. The tires are tubeless radial tires and the tire size is 185 by 65 R15. The headlights are halogen projector headlights with LED light guides. Baleno badging is written on all the door floors. The back seats are inclined and spacious. 3 seat belts are provided in the back seat. Roof lamp is placed in the middle. The single-tone dashboard looks and feels premium. The gear knob is elegant and stylish. A power socket is also provided for the rear seat. The headrest of back seat and front seat are both height adjustable. Now let's see from driver's seat. The 4 power window controllers are there with auto mode for driver window. This is the power window lock unlock button. This is the central lock unlock button. This is the power adjustable outside rear view mirror adjuster. We have explained its working in detail in our previous video on Maruti Suzuki WagonR 2020. This is the electric folding rear view mirror switch. This is headlight leveler with small storage space below it. Airbag is available for both driver and passenger seats. The multifunction steering wheel is height adjustable. This is the wiper control. And this is the headlight and indicator controllers. Now let's see the meter console. We made a video on different symbols we see on a car console. You can see that for understanding the various symbols. We have tachometer, electronic multi-trip meter and speedometer with analog fuel level indicator. We can see trip A, trip B and total. And also average fuel economy and range. The outside temperature is also displayed here. The AC is Climatronic AC. There is auto option available. We can change the temperature setting manually and also the fan speed. The front and rear defogging switches are here. This is the AC off button. The passenger side sun visor comes with vanity mirror, and the driver's side with ticket holder. Additionally, two push to on off lights are provided in the front side. Power socket and USB AUX ports are here. This is the music system. We can use the controls on steering and change the modes to FM, AM and Bluetooth. The antenna is integrated. The price range of Baleno is from 5.7 lakhs to 9.03 lakhs. Ex-showroom, Delhi. We hope this video was useful. Goodbye till we see next time.